Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Acrysil, which could be a wealth creator in the coming years. So let's understand about the business and let's understand what needs to be done. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation and people taking any position or any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Acrysil, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And if you can pay $100 upfront, then you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. For detailed market or company talk or number of stocks you're holding, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. Also, if you cannot pay on Patreon, you can join the YouTube membership or WhatsApp membership. If you can just email me and we can do that. On YouTube, you can join, you can hit the join button and join on YouTube with the membership there, and you get all the benefits of what Patreon members are getting. Now about the company, Acrysil was established in 1987 and they provide a number of home improvement products. Their products include quartz sinks, chimneys, dishwashers, ice chillers, oven, refrigerators, etc. It has global presence and the market cap of the company is only 2200 crores. So it is a small cap company even now. It is a pure economy play, and remember it has gone up 4-5x over the last 2 years, but still at a very reasonable market cap. If you look at the financials, then sales were up 60% in the second quarter of FY22, whereas profit went up by 90%. And that is the kind of a growth that people are liking. Low combined promoter and institutional holding, that's a concern, but ROE of 12.5%, operating profit margin of 25% is pretty strong. Plus, there are HNIs, there are individual investors, which are large individual investors, marquee individual investors, which are invested into the stock. It is a debt free company at the moment. So what has been ailing the industry so far and why the stock is doing well now? So global economic slump due to the pandemic, and even before that we have had a manufacturing slump globally from 2018 to 2020. It has lingered on because of the pandemic. Plus raw material cost has surged, and it has surged even more over the last 6 months, especially here in India. But now the oil prices are ebbing, and with the lower, you can say, VAT and excise duties, there are chances that their raw material costs would come down appreciably, and the situation at the ground is getting worsened by, or it got worse in the FY21, you can say, year because of the pandemic and the way it hit India. So a lot of, and globally as well, so a lot of businesses which were global oriented got hit big time. It had lofty valuations earlier, and so the stock corrected. So it went up a lot in 2018, 2017, and then corrected. But now it is now coming out of a bear market and doing extremely well over the last 8-9 months, over the last, you can say, 1 year. It has done extremely well. Mid cap sell off between 2018 to 20 has led to the decline in valuation. So by the time 2020 March came in, it had fallen 60 to 70%. So that was the thing that was ailing the industry altogether. But what are the salient features of the company and how it is doing well? So it has global presence in more than 25 countries. So it is not present just in 2-3 countries here and there, but 25 nations across the globe. It is selling its products. So being a small cap company, doing that itself is a big achievement. Having a number of products in various segments I have explained, which is into kitchen accessories and home improvement as well. So there are a lot of smart products that Somani Home, that sorry, Acrysil is selling. Somani Home is a competitor of it, but Acrysil is doing much better in terms of margins. It is a virtually debt-free company. Low market cap for such a business, I still believe, although it is trading at something like 5 times sales. I still believe that the market cap could swell all the way to 6-7 thousand crores in the coming years, at least. reasonable valuations. So I won't say valuations are very attractive. Somani Home, as I just put up, has better valuations at 1.5 times sales. This is at 4 times sales. But remember that it is looking to expand sales 3x in the next 10 years and looking to double sales over the next 3-4 years. So it really looks like they're going to achieve their targets pretty early than what they are projecting. And with a lot of, you can say, uh, demand for such products, and housing is getting big now, getting out of a slum of 12-13 years, I think these types of companies could continue to do well. Numbers of Q2 has been very good, and the commentary by the management over the for the next 2 quarters are also is also extremely strong. If you look at the technicals, then it has been 6x in the past 1 year. So that was what I was explaining, that it has gone up a lot, but have been doing well for past few weeks as a stock. Now the major breakout is expected above 920. It may consolidate between 900 and 800 for a couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks, and then show the breakout. There's one concern is that it is an illiquid stock. It's a small cap stocks with very low liquidity, so lower circuits and upper circuits are pretty common in the stock. So extremely stay extremely careful with respect to trading into the stock, and remember that it has run up a lot. So expecting it to double in the next 2-3 months, or do such things, would not be right. And I think you should be looking at 20% CAGR kind of a return into such stocks, 20-25% over the next few years. I think it's going to consistently provide you with returns. So, as I explained, buy only if you have a 3 year view. I think the way it has gone up, it seems like it's tiring at the upper end, and you may see 1,000, even 1,100 in the next few months. But it won't be such a move that it goes up 3-4x over a year time or something. So, if you have a 3 year view, I think it's going to do extremely well. I think it's going to come up with sales closer to 1,000 crores after 2 to 3 years, and should be trading at 5-6 times sales. So around 6,000 crore market cap could be possible in the next 3 years. So 3x in the next 3 years, but can't see it doubling over the next 1 year. So it could move 25-30% consistently, like a year on year growth. Wait for massive declines to buy, that would be the best time. So the way it fell at the end of November, around 770, 780 it went to, those were very good levels to get into. Now it has run up a bit, so you can accumulate probably in the next 3-6 months and have a 3 year view. You're going to make a decent amount of money. So this was my video on Acrysil. Please like and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Kindly support me on Patreon or YouTube. Thank you.